In the last chapter, we learned about the architecture of storage networks. In this chapter, we continue to learn about Huawei's intelligent storage products. In this chapter, we will mainly introduce Huawei's intelligent storage series products, including Huawei Ocean Store, all-flash storage, hybrid flash storage, distributed storage, and Huawei Fusion Cube Edge data storage, as well as the features, product positioning, and typical application scenarios of these products. In this chapter, we mainly divide it into 4 sections. In this lesson, we will focus on the content of the previous 2 sections, all-flash storage and hybrid flash storage. All-flash storage, as the name implies, it refers to the use of solid-state drives or other flash memory media to replace traditional hard drives. For this, its most obvious characteristic is that it has a relatively high IOPS. All-flash storage, it is entirely made of solid-state storage medium such an independent disk array or device is composed. For Huawei, there are also corresponding all-flash storage products, Ocean Store Dorado series. In fact, Huawei began researching the all-flash technology as early as 2005. The first generation of all-flash storage Dorado 2100 and 5100 was released in 2011. These two devices are equipped with Huawei's self-developed 6 GB per second SAS SSD disk. This device, which released the Dorado 5000 and 6000 V3 versions in 2016, it is equipped with Huawei's self-developed 12 GB per second SAS SSD disk. Dorado 18000 was released later. In 2017, Huawei's all-flash storage, Ocean Store Dorado V3 version, it has won the Gold Award at the Interop Tokyo exhibition. In 2019, Huawei released a new generation of the Dorado V6 product series. Then in this V6 version series, there are 6 products in total, all of which are listed in the film. Among these 6 products, including the 6800, 18500, 18800 series of products, position it as a high-end flash storage series. The following 5300, 5500E, 5600E. We categorize it as a mid-range product series. Huawei Ocean Store Dorado. All-flash storage, it mainly has the following 3 characteristics. The architecture of Smart Matrix 3.0 is fully interconnected. This architecture adopts a high-speed cabinet type fully interconnected passive backplane. It can connect nodes of multiple controllers. At the same time, its interface module uses a fully shared access backplane. Allow the host to access from any interface, directly access any controller for business processing. The core of FlashLink technology, it is through a series of algorithm optimization techniques for flash media. It has implemented the linkage between the CPU on the controller board and the dedicated CPU on the SSD board. Ensures the coordination of the SSD algorithm among different CPUs. Achieving high performance and high reliability is such a feature of the system. Regarding the intelligent AI chip, it is the industry's first built-in AI chip can provide machine learning voice association. The hit rate of the read cache can be increased to 50%. Make storage better the more you use it. Then further through the cloud-based AI, it can achieve intelligent management throughout the entire life cycle. Ultimately, it is an automated data management system that achieves a complete 3-layer architecture. Also configure the corresponding NVMe SSD solid-state drive compared to traditional mechanical hard drives. It has high performance, fast speed and low energy consumption, low latency, small size, lightweight, shock resistance and other excellent features. FlashLink technology mainly includes the following key technologies. Efficient RAID technology. The storage system it uses is designed with row full score write-in. Additionally, it can also have this kind of technology for cold and hot data diversion. The storage system recognizes this hot and cold data in the system through the cooperation of SSD drives or controllers. Reduce the number of times this garbage data is recycled. Reduce the number of erasures of the internal SSD hard drive in this way. This is used to extend the lifespan of an SSD. Additionally, it has a low latency guarantee technology. The storage system adopts a faster protocol. Moreover, it uses the latest generation of this self-developed SS disk. and an optimization has been made to the process of handling all these I/O. This keeps the I/O latency at a low level with low delay. Additionally, intelligent multi-core technology, the storage system uses Huawei's self-developed Kunpeng chip, the highest number of CPUs and CPU cores in the industry's storage products have been implemented within the same controller. An improvement in the performance of the storage device has been achieved through the corresponding algorithm, and an increase in read hit rate. Through this business diversion technology, it can also greatly increase the speed of refactoring. Additionally, there is a smart hard disk frame here. In the Dorado storage system, it uses the latest generation of self-developed intelligent hardware. There are CPU and memory resources within this hard disk frame, able to offload these tasks of disk failure reconstruction. It has reduced the load on this controller. As for this form of the Dorado product, we have listed some here. It may not be very intuitive. If everyone wants to see some 3D images, you can log into this Huawei website, take another look. Here, I will also show everyone. First, we enter e.huawei.com in the browser. Exactly this. Then enter this right website of Huawei Enterprise Network. You can choose the corresponding language in this place. This is the homepage of this official website. Then we choose technical support, product services, product solutions. There is a data center in this place, storage. You can see Huawei Ocean Store storage. There will be some relevant information in the following. Here, it lists all flash storage, distributed hybrid flash storage. The product series such as Edge Data Storage. Then we can first take a look at all flash storage. Take a look at this. For example, we choose this high-end all flash storage from Huawei, then click to learn more. Here he will have an introduction to the corresponding product series. There is a 3D model in this place. We click on in this place. You can see all the device models of the V6 series. For instance, let's say we select the first one. He needs to be different in this place. For this device in different application scenarios, for example, we choose the smart NVMe hard drive frame. We can see the 3D diagram of this device. There is an original diagram at this place. We can also see the exploded view. You can see some of its components. Power module, it's this part. Then you can proceed with the disassembly if this is selected. For example, we can select it, you can take it out. You can also scan this QR code at this location using your mobile phone. View this 3D explosion diagram on the mobile phone. So regarding the form of these products, everyone can log on to Huawei's official corporate website to view the product form under 3D status, then disassemble a component of this product. Let's continue with the introduction of software architecture. The software architecture of Huawei's Dorado storage system. This is what we see here. He is using a dedicated operating system of Ocean Store. Implement a management and support storage business software for hardware. The storage system controls software through management functions. Implement a management function for the storage system. Maintenance terminal software is used for a configuration and maintenance of the system. Users can maintain the terminal through SmartKit, eService, and other software to configure and maintain the storage system. The software on the application server includes Ocean Store, two models, BC Manager and UltraPath. With the rapid development of mobile internet, explosive growth in customer data transactions, the pressure on the original IT system is increasing. For example, the large-scale enterprise billing and inventory systems of banks. The time for integrating and processing data in the data warehouse is very long, causing the operation analysis business to query these businesses, unable to obtain it in time. The speed of the query will also be very slow. So it seriously affected the efficiency. If adopting Huawei's high-performance all-flash storage solution, this can effectively solve this type of problem. Moreover, it can reduce the data processing time by more than half. The response delay will also be greatly reduced. So during the processing of a company's business, its efficiency will be significantly improved. Next, we will introduce the content of the second section, hybrid flash storage. First, we need to know what hybrid flash is. Hybrid flash storage column. It's usually a combination of an SSD and an HDD mechanical hard drive. We previously introduced all flash storage. It uses a solid-state drive, or it is other flash media that replaces the traditional hard drive. The main advantage of all flash storage is its high IOPS and hybrid. Flash storage, it utilizes SSD to enhance its IOPS. At the same time, it needs to utilize the HDD mechanical hard drive to provide higher storage capacity. Here is listed the series of Huawei's hybrid flash storage, including OceanStor 18510, 18810. It is defined as Huawei's high-end intelligent hybrid flash storage system. OceanStor 5110, 5210, 5310 each, 5610, 5810. It is defined as Huawei's mid-range intelligent hybrid flash storage system. 6810E. It is Huawei's high-end entry-level intelligent hybrid storage system. Huawei's hybrid flash storage is an enterprise-level hybrid storage product. It uses Smart Matrix, the architecture of full interconnection, and the design of the entire software and firmware. It can provide stable and reliable support for the operation of a business, integrating efficient data services. In addition, it satisfies large databases, OLTP, OLAP, high-performance computing, digital media, centralized storage, backup, application requirements for different businesses, such as disaster recovery, data migration, and so on. Additionally, for hybrid flash storage, one of its product forms, we can still log into Huawei's Enterprise Business Support website. To take a look, its path is the same as that of all flash storage. We won't demonstrate too much here. Huawei OceanStor Hybrid Flash Storage Series, adopting the integration of SAN and NAS storage technologies, a set of storage devices can support both SAN services and NAS services at the same time. Shared storage device resources. The host can access through any controller's front-end port. Access any LUN or file system. Intelligent analysis technology needs to be deployed on devices of different media types. The data is being monitored in real time. This data that has not been accessed for a long time, it will be marked as cold data. Gradually from high-performance media transferred to a relatively slower storage medium. Ensure that the device will not get slower over time. If when the cold data is activated, it can also quickly move to fast storage media. Maintain a stable performance for the entire system. It will not become slower with the increase in storage volume. Regarding this migration strategy, it can be done manually or automatically. Huawei OceanStor Hybrid Flash Storage System. It integrates SAN and NAS, and it supports multiple storage protocols. Widely used in various general scenarios, including but not limited to what is listed here. Government, finance, operators, manufacturing, backup disaster recovery industries. It can also be applied to some other cloud computing, social networking sites, and other application scenarios. For example, in the dual active solution in the data center, this system integrates SAN and NAS. A device that supports the deployment of both SAN and NAS dual active services. In the event of a single controller failure, it can support local switching. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for studying. See you in the next session.